Make a great choice today with the 2021 Silverado 2500HD. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, trailer brake controller, fog lamps, Inside you'll find Sirius XM radio, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.